how to allow or block in-app purchases on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down, and in here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, we tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Then tap on In-App Purchases. And from here, you can choose Allow to allow in-app purchases, or if you want to block in-app purchases, you can select Don't Allow. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key, or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.